If you have lost access to your phone number linked to your Yahoo Mail, you can still try to recover your account using other recovery options such as recovery email or by verifying through Yahoo's sign-in helper. So go ahead, open any web browser on your device, then search for login.yahoo.com/forgot. Search for it, and this will take you to this kind of interface. From here, you need to simply enter the correct form of your email address that is associated with your Yahoo email account. And once done, tap on continue in the bottom. You need to then enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address or the phone number that you just entered. Go ahead and enter the code here, and once verified, you can reset your password and sign back in. But if you do not have any access to your recovery email either, Yahoo may offer to verify you through security questions only for older accounts. Otherwise, you will need to use Yahoo's Help Center or tap on this Try Signing in Another Way option, then go to Help and fill out an account recovery form to request support. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.